Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some English tips. Constraint, which is a noun, meaning a limitation or restriction. Badhyata, vivashta. Waiver, which is a noun, meaning the act or an instance of voluntarily giving up a claim or right. Toll, which is a noun, meaning suffering, deaths or damage. Redundant, which is an adjective, meaning surplus to requirements. Prevalent, which is an adjective, meaning prachalit, widespread. Synonyms: prevailing, frequent. Antonyms: uncommon. Example: the ill practices are more prevalent in society today. Post, which is a preposition meaning के उपरांत, subsequent to. Synonyms: after. Antonyms: before. Example: American poetry post the 1950s hasn't had the same impact. Abrogation, which is a noun meaning nirakaran, repudiation. Synonyms: revocation, repeal. Antonyms: institution. Example: the ministry proposed for the abrogation of the electoral law of 1850s. Exquisite, which is an adjective meaning ati sundar, beautiful. Synonyms: